Dr. Joseph Maroon is a world-renowned neurosurgeon and nutritional expert. He joins us today to talk about brain health. One way to maintain good brain health and avoid onset of Alzheimer's disease and dementia is exercise. Doctor, tell us about how exercise helps our brain and how much exercise is enough.
Sure, Jim. I think a fallacy that needs to be overcome is the fact that as we age, we never remake or renew brain cells. This is shown to be untrue in the sense that with exercise, we release a molecule in our brain called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, that actually leads to the creation of new brain cells, new connections between our brain cells, and neuroplasticity, the ability our brain works and builds new circuits. So exercise not only enhances brain growth and brain cells, but it also enhances the neurotransmitters like dopa, acetylcholine, and other agents that make us feel good, the feel-good hormones. So there's absolutely no better thing we can do besides good nutrition for our brain health than rigorous physical activity.
What you're describing is like stretching exercises.
Exactly.
The rest of the body.
That's well put. You know, the old adage, use it or lose it. It's the same with the brain. If you don't use your brain, if you don't stimulate it with physical activity and also with mental activity, and when we're talking about mental activity, we know that reading, writing, continuing to be active over the retirement years by interacting socially, with crossword puzzles, Sudoku, other things that stimulate your brain to use it, both mentally and physically. You enhance brain function, you enhance connectivity, and you literally can delay the onset of dementia and even Alzheimer's disease.
Now, what are the best reasons for us to exercise?
Well, they're innumerable, but besides enhancing our brain function, it also is the best thing we can do for our cardiovascular system, for our heart. In terms of osteoporosis, which is epidemic in the older population, resistance exercises increase the formation of bone and makes the bones harder. In terms of our muscles, the flexibility, reducing falls, reducing fractures, these are all things that we can do through exercise, reduce those problems.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It's just been a pleasure to hear your tips and your recommendations.
Thank you so much.
We'll have much more about the topic of brain health in the weeks to come. In the meantime, if you'd like more information, go to the St. Barnabas website, www.stbarnabashealthsystem.com, and click on Brain Health link.